Hey guys, so I finally reached 300 subscribers. I decided I'm going to make cookies for everyone. Okay, so for the ingredients, we're gonna need some flour, applesauce, vanilla extract, and since I don't have any butter or anything, we're gonna be using olive oil. Please don't mind the background, it's so ugly. So we're gonna grab a bowl. Should I? No. So we're gonna grab a bowl and we're gonna mix our dry ingredients first. I'm gonna do a cup of flour. Listen, every time I do cookies, I always just figure out how to do it as I go. So, and for some reason, no one likes to eat them. Like, I don't understand. I try my hardest. No one eats them, but that's fine. Because they end up going to the garbage. Is that fine? Since you guys really can't taste it, hopefully you guys will like it. I'm gonna do half. Because, oof, do I want to do half? I don't. That's a lot of sugar. I think that's fine. No, let me do a little more. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna find a whisk and we're just gonna mix. So we're gonna mix this. Imagine if I become a chef. Yum. Okay, so I'm gonna add the applesauce. I don't know if you add applesauce in the first place, but like I've seen people add applesauce to their cookies. I'm not even vegan. I'm just allergic. So we're just gonna add. I don't know if this is a good idea. Hopefully this works out. Ooh. Let me show you what's going on. So this is what we're doing right now. Yeah. I always end up making my cookies really, like, there's always something bad about them. Either they're too doughy or they're too oily. There's always something wrong with them. And this time I'm gonna do good because they're gonna taste like apples. So that's all that matters. And since I don't have any like good oil that worked for cookies, we're just not gonna use oil. We're gonna skip that and we're gonna just wing it, you know, fly like a bird. This looks like a batter. Hopefully these cookies will not make me go poo-poo because I was just constipated. I wanted to make 300 cookies for my 300 subscribers, but I knew that was gonna be crazy and also it was gonna make me really fat. Like I need to gain weight, but not that much. I've baked cookies like, I don't know, like 20 times, and there was only once that I actually liked my cookies and didn't look burnt. Sometimes they even look like balls. Or they give me like a really bad stomachache. And sometimes I think about it and I'm like, maybe I should do what, like, I should follow a recipe, but no. You're gonna be different. So, I put my paper. Ooh. Oh, sister. Oh, sister. Oh, sister. This is a whole booger in my hand. So this is not going good. Wait, what if I taste it? Tastes like flour. Yum. Okay, so these are my cookies. I still have a lot left, but then I was like, I said I was gonna make smaller ones and I didn't. So now I have only 8. And they don't even look that bad. They kind of look like biscuits, you know? But we're gonna put them inside the oven. Hopefully it's cute. If anything, we're just gonna do bits like what Tania did. I'm just trying to copy her and, you know, finally get some friends. Let's make a timer of 5. Oh, All right, 5 minutes, and then we're gonna keep on making them. We're gonna use this big one now, and I'm gonna try to make smaller, like tiny little bits. I want to show you guys, but then I have to like squat. And I'm gonna put some flour on my hands. Oh, these are looking so much better. I can already tell you, you can't even see them, but trial and error, guys. Trial and error. Honestly, now I was doubting myself of becoming a professional baker, but now I kind of, you know, I'm proud of myself. Like, you guys can't even see, and you can, but like, it's kind of hard being a baker and being a YouTuber at the same time. Sorry. Someone is texting me, and baking is life, so my phone is not. Give me a second. These are looking so good. Why? I like, when I started this video, I knew I was gonna do bad, but now I'm kind of surprised. Like, it's crazy. Why are they looking good? This was not the point of the video. I was gonna be like, ooh, these are the ugliest thing I've ever seen, but they are looking pretty swell, if I'm saying to myself. Like, okay, let me wash my hands and I'm gonna show you guys. This is what they look like. Honestly, I'm so proud of myself. They look delicious, but we're not done yet, sister. We are going to make drawings on them. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Please don't mind this. This is just the things from my oven. We're gonna make little, we're just gonna poke them as my, oh my god, they're gonna be Ritz crackers. And we're gonna put these in the oven. Let's take out the other ones, see how they're doing. I knew it, they're whole biscuits. I knew it. Oh my god. Oh my god. They are so hard. This is so embarrassing. So I think I just made bread, but I'm not mad, but I could never make cookies. I kind of want to try it, but when I try something really hot, it makes my stomach hurt. Let me show you. But the bread parts are really good. Okay, so I'll be back in like, I don't know, 10 minutes, and I'll show you guys what I get. I think I'm gonna put them in the, not in the freezer, I'm gonna put them in the fridge for a little while, so then they're not as hot, because I would want to try them. But yeah, hopefully you guys will like it. Hey sisters, so this is what I got. I already tried one, but I'm gonna try another one so you guys can see what I have to go through. It's a piece of bread. My big ones are a piece of bread, that's for sure. Really what matters is that I tried, and that legit is all that matters, sister. It's a biscuit. Well, my dad's gonna eat them anyways, that's all. I kind of like the tiny ones. I think they're uncooked, but it's not like there's egg or anything. It's a biscuit, love. Am I embarrassed about this? No, because all I can do is just switch my title to this thing. I made biscuits. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this is your present. Hopefully you guys like it. And if you do this recipe, please let me know. This was my favorite. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was really boring. The light is like up here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and please eat my cookies. If you don't, I'm gonna hunt you down. Yeah, please subscribe to me, and maybe when I reach 400 subscribers, I'll make actual cookies. Cause these, sister, these are a disappointment. And I keep eating them.